Microbes in sewage treatment. Municipal wastewater is nothing but known as sewage. This sewage contains organic material plus microbes. These microbes are pathogenic in nature. So if this municipal wastewater or sewage is directly dumped into water bodies, they may lead to certain outbreak of certain epidemics, certain infectious diseases, etc. So we do take this sewage to STP and after treatment we release it into water bodies. Now let us understand how microbes work in STPs and remove these pathogenic material and organic material and make the water fit and suitable to be dumped in water bodies. STP is sewage treatment plant. In this plant, the treatment of sewage is done in two steps, primary treatment and secondary treatment. In primary treatment, physical removal of particles is done with the help of filtration and sedimentation. After filtration and sedimentation, the settled material, that is primary sludge plus the supernatant, forms the effluent. Here you can see in primary treatment we remove particles physically by filtration and sedimentation. After that we got primary effluent. This primary effluent is made up of primary sludge plus supernatant liquid. This goes to secondary treatment, which involves the action of microbes. In secondary treatment, this effluent is passed on to large aeration tanks fitted with agitators. These agitators, they continuously move and thus helps in the circulation of oxygen. Now as oxygen is circulated, aerobic microbes, they grow. Their growth is increased. Now as these aerobic microbes are growing, they grow into the flocs. Flocs are nothing but a fine mesh-like structure made from bacterium and fungi interaction. These aerobic microbes, while they are growing, they consume organic matter so present in the sewage. Hence, in the process of this microbe growing, whole of the organic matter is consumed. Thus, BOD, biological oxygen demand, is decreased. This biological oxygen demand is indicator of the presence of amount of organic material in the sewage. This process is carried out till this BOD has decreased to the significant level. Once this is decreased, the testing is done, then this is passed on to a settling tank. In this settling tank, the settled sludge is also known as activated sludge. A very small part of this activated sludge is sent back in this large aeration tank as inoculum, and further rest of it is subjected to anaerobic sludge digester, in which anaerobic bacteria consumes this sludge, and while consuming this they release certain gases like methane and carbon dioxide, which are also known as biogas and can be used as a source of energy. So now you can understand this whole treatment plant and the process. Primary treatment, physical removal. Secondary treatment, biological action. After biological action, subjected to digester, which releases biogas. So here you can see how microbes are helping us, or how microbes are working in giving us gallons of safe and purified water. Once this digester has worked upon, then we can dump this sewage into water bodies.